You are a big Matsuura fan. You've had Matsuuras for how long?
41 years actually. We bought our first Matsuura in 1977.
And am I right in saying you were one of the first Matsuuras or the first Matsuura machines in the country?
I think we bought the second one that came into the UK. Yeah, my dad bought the second one.
Okay, so here we are a few decades on. You've invested in this 5-axis machine, which is the new MX520. How impressed have you been with this model since you've had it?
Look, this model is brilliant. What we do on it, you know, I was surprised really that how good it actually is. The price is good, and I wondered whether they were going to sort of have to make adjustments, you know, about the machine, but no, it's delivered every time.
That's a big thing, because when you're looking at the machine, Matsuuras are high-end machine tools. They've got that sort of premium end quality to them. And when you look at the 5-axis, you look at the price tag, and they actually, you know, have they compromised in the build of this? But you would say that they certainly haven't.
No, definitely not. I mean, we're making components on there now, and we know we're making steel components on it. If they'd have made compromise at all, we'd have known by now. I think it's even better than what we've had before.
How long have you had the machine in?
Just over a year now.
And do you need much support outside of when the machine's been installed here from Matsuura, or are you pretty competent in not needing that backup?
Well, I mean, when first thing that I think that makes a difference when you do buy a Matsuura, you get installation, application, you know, and after sales support. I think it's brilliant. I think it's phenomenal. That is, and I'll tell you one thing that a Matsuura doesn't do, and it doesn't break. Yeah, we've had that machine in here, and not once have we had to ring up or have a problem. That's the same with all our Matsuuras. And for a small engineering company, the last thing you want to do is have your machine break down, because that knocks onto the customer, and the last thing you want to do is start upsetting customers. So the Matsuuras, you know, they can solve, if you ring them up, most of the problems, and they're usually problems that we've ingressed into them, are solved within an hour.
And how do you think they managed to produce a machine of this quality for the price tag?
I think those years of making machines from all those years and years ago, they clearly understand the market. They understand that there's an entrance level, you know, 5-axis machine tools is required, and they understand the engineers that want to use them.
I can see an MX330 with a 10-pallet station in here soon. What do you reckon?
It wouldn't surprise me at all. I mean, automation is the way to go. We're running that second shift, but for Leemark, we've got a business plan that does include automation.